Hey my Paul Mitchell friends, it's Megan here, and today I'm going to be doing a roller set tutorial on my relaxed hair. To prep for our roller set, I used a moisturizing shampoo and conditioner and followed up with our Paul Mitchell The Conditioner. As my leave-in conditioner, it balances moisture and my hair loves it so much. So I'm going to use about a dime size, work my way from top to bottom, and really make sure I get those ends for this roller set. So I'm just going to make sure that's thoroughly applied, and I'm going to move in with the Super Skinny Serum, which is a great heat protectant serum that is also humidity resistant. And I'm just going to use about a dime size of that, work that into my hands, work from top to bottom to make sure it's evenly distributed all over my hair. And then after this, I make sure I detangle my hair gently, working from the ends all the way up to remove any tangles for our roller set. So for my roller set, I'm going to use a few different sizes in sections because that's the easiest way to do this. So I'm going to part my hair into a large section in the middle, kind of like a little mohawk, you know. And so we're going to go ahead and use the Extra Body Sculpting Foam, which is my favorite sculpting foam. I love this so much. It provides a really nice soft hold, which I need for my fine hair. So I'm just going to make sure I apply this in my sections. And now it's time for the fun part. It's time to get our roll on. And the key to this is to make sure your roller and your section are the same width. So I'm going to make sure I comb through each section, making sure there aren't any tangles, and pull the roller all the way down to the ends of my hair. Smooth that out and gently roll all the way up until we get to the base of your hair. And then clip it down. Super easy, and I love this part. This is my favorite part, is getting our roll on. So I'm going to do this with each section, making sure I gently roll each section of my ends flat onto the roller and roll back, and use a large clip to clip the roller in place. And for my shorter pieces of hair, I'm going to use smaller rollers. So I adjust my roller size depending on the area of my head. And so we're going to repeat the same steps, use more of the Extra Body Sculpting Foam, apply that into my section, making sure I get it in my roots and my ends, and proceed to section off my hair and do the same exact rolling process. Woo, that was an arm workout, wasn't it? So we are all rolled to perfection. Everything is in place. I'm going to sit under a hooded dryer for an hour, but you can use our Express Ion Dry hair dryer to speed up drying time. Now using a wide comb, I'm going to comb through my hair in style as desired. And this is the final look. Our Paul Mitchell products gave my hair the life and body that it needed for this roller set. If you do have any questions, feel free to ask us, and stick around and watch more of our videos here.